Hey, this is Amity with another quick tip for Kingsoft Office for Windows.
Today I'm going to show you how to add a watermark to your documents in Kingsoft Writer for Windows. Come up to your toolbar and select Insert. Then come to Watermark. Here you'll find a selection of preset watermarks. You can either choose one of these or customize your own. Here you have the option to add a picture or customize your text. Now that you've created your watermark, come back to the Watermark button, and here you'll find your custom watermark.